I've been investing through Robinhood for 5 years now. Made a lot of mistakes. No, much more than that. So many. What I've learned is don't sell, buy what you use: cars, energy, oil, healthcare, electricity, whatever. Whatever, guys. And keep it. Just continue buying it. And it's that simple. Now you'll see on morning. You'll see on my portfolio that everything is the recent price. Yeah, just give it a day or two. I can't remember when I screenshot this, but that's the last price. Now, what I've been doing, oh, I hate this hill. What I've been doing is changing that to the total percent gains, loss. Can't remember the wording now because I've been doing it for so long, 3 years at least, and that takes the psychological edge off it for me. What might work for you wouldn't work for me. So this is what I've been doing. So if you click on the right, you'll see a bunch of options: last price, equity, total value, total percent change, daily change, whatever. I changed mine to total percent change because it's the market, it's volatile. It can go up and down 3, 4, 5, 10% in a day. It's not unheard of. So man, and basically, and this really is as simple as it gets, guys, I just buy whatever's on the bottom. That's it. If you've been subscribing for a year, whatever, you'll notice that I've been buying, well, you'll know pretty much for the last year, all I've been buying is Redwood Trust. Good morning. Cheers, guys. And with the way Orchid Island might be with earnings, record earnings, I've had a feel I'm going to be buying Orchid Island for at least 6 months or more, and that's okay. Go. Going right. Enjoy. Cheers, man. Sorry I slowed you down. So, I'm old, fat, 5'8", 180 pounds. Yeah, I'm not in great shape. And I'm not a good bike rider, so there's that too. On your left, guys. Hi. Morning. not to go over the edge, Brett. And that's that.